All right, so we are Holzinger Inc. I am Nathan.
I am Alfredo.
I am CJ.
And I'm Ella.
All right, so for our design overview, we have a total of 4 orbits. Each orbit has 25 spacecraft per orbit, which gives us a total of 100 spacecraft. This total comes out to $900 million with all the spacecraft. Based on the spacecraft coverage, we have a value of 9.771 times 10 to the 9th. Each launch falls within the radius of perigee and apogee given in the dock. And of all the cross-sectional areas of the orbits, no orbit overlaps, which guarantees no intersections.
In designing our orbits, one thing we did was put apogee over densely populated areas and perigee over less populated areas. This is because the satellites will travel at a faster relative velocity at periapsis. We then considered the limitations of the radius of apoapsis and periapsis. Using those first 2 equations at the bottom of the slide, we determined from these limitations acceptable values for the eccentricity and semi-major axis. Once we had an initial set of orbit elements, we then iterated them considering the best J values and found where we could get those maximized.
Continuing our design process, we had 4 launches to cover all major regions. We had 2 inclinated orbits that complemented each other, seen in the figures, the red and blue ones. They mainly covered North and South America, as well as Europe, Asia, and Australia. And then we had 2 other orbits, one more polar and one more equatorial, the green and purple, which covered Africa, Europe, and everywhere else. Our specific orbital elements are seen below. We had similar semi-major axis and eccentricities. But yeah, that was our design process.
The advantages of the design is that it covers mostly, and I want to say majority of the populated regions. Coverage is provided to the most populated areas in each continent. So if you can see throughout each orbit, it is focused on achieving coverage for a very populated continent. Also covers North and the South Poles, not common to other companies, not like us. And we could provide internet service at a low cost and a great value. As you can see right there, at total 900 million, had a grand value of 9.77 to the 10 to the 9th JVs. As you can see here, you can see a quick animation of our final product. Of course, all the orbits in together working simultaneously. Thank you.